Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change screen zoom on Samsung Galaxy A27. Open up Settings. Scroll down, find Display. Scroll again until you find Screen Zoom. Here we have this bar with 5 lock positions. It's up to you which one you'll pick. Here you can see the difference in how it's going to look, the size of objects and text. For example, now I'll go with the maximum. As I go back, you can see that the settings are much bigger. Now I'll go for the minimum value, and you can see the difference clearly. I'll go back to the middle position. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.